Alright, Enterprise Core Technologies. Welcome to our video series. For those new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe my videos. On this video, it's now the last part of building the network management infrastructure and be able to remote access from PC. And now we will define the user privileges. Privilege 1 will have a only on the enable, so you can only do some show commands. Privilege level 7, you can enter the privilege level, while the privilege level 15 can enter on the configuration or the global. And the privilege level 7 cannot enter into the configuration mode or the global mode. Okay, and also we will configure the accounting, wherein we'll be able to do some logs and the activities on each user. Alright, so let's begin. So first, let's check. On our last video, we can only access the DHCP server using the tacacs access. Okay, so we're able to access via tacacs. As you can see, we cannot access via tacacs. When we try to access the local, okay, so we're able to only access the local. Okay. By the way, if we try to, okay, it's we're able to, if we try to access via local, it should not, it will not let us in, since we already have the tacacs as a primary. Okay. Let's start by configuring. So let's review the configuration we did before. So what we did is, on the server side, we installed the tacacs server, then we create a user. So we add two more user, tech support and desk support. So the tech support can only enter on the privilege mode, while the desk support is only on the enable, so we will deny his access to the privilege. And then alright, so we'll go down here. So let's now configure the, and the DHCP will now add this one. Okay, so before we do that, let's add the two user on the server side. Now we're done on the server side. Let's add the configuration on the router side. Before we go over, as you can see here, when we log in, we go through enable. So after this, it will when we try to log again, we will no longer go over. I mean, we will go directly on the privileged mode. To add here, okay, let's add the source interface and then the accounting. Okay. Now let's try to access. Let's use another tab. See, we now directly entered into the privilege level, and of course we can go to configuration mode. Let's try to access using the other. Let's try use tech first. Tech support. Okay, let's go straight to the privilege level. And then if we go to configuration, see, it will already locks. Then let's use this support. Right, now it's in the enable. Let's try to show, so we can do show. So all the show available in the enable only. So if we try to go the privilege mode, now let's try to enable all other routers. Okay. Okay, let's test. I think alright. So we're now successful. We already tested all of them, and we already successfully authenticate. So we can try from here, but let me remove the debug. Okay. We're testing that. Let's just skip. No. Okay, so now we're able to access all the routers. So BGP data IGR. Yep. Okay. So now this is the end of our network management builds. We now have the tacacs server, and also we can now manage our outside from our physical PC using secure CRT. On our next video, we'll now plan to create another server and remove the DHCP server from this router and create a new server here. So we will provision another server. So we will not configure inside the tacacs server. So we will add another one here, the DHCP server. Okay, so see you on my next video.